Have you ever looked at someone and wondered what they've been through without saying a word? Sometimes what a woman won't tell you. Her body, her tone, her reactions, they already have. Today on Raw Love Psychology, we diving deep into the subconscious world of emotional memory and showing you how to discover a woman's past without asking anything. This isn't manipulation. This isn't game playing. This is emotional intelligence. And it could be the difference between falling into a trap or building something real. Let's begin. First, her reaction to vulnerability. Just watch how she responds when you get emotionally open. Does she get uncomfortable, laugh it off, change the subject? Or does she lean in and meet you with the same depth? If she's distant or closed off emotionally, it might not be about you at all. It may be a defense she developed from emotional neglect, betrayal, or heartbreak. People who've been hurt deeply often don't know how to sit with emotional openness because it reminds them of the pain they had to hide. Next, how she talks about her exes, or doesn't. If she never mentions her past relationships at all, that's not always a green flag. Silence can be a sign of trauma, or shame, or experiences she's still processing. On the flip side, if every ex she mentions was crazy, toxic, or the problem, that could be a pattern of avoidance. Someone who hasn't taken accountability or healed yet. Remember, a mature person reflects on their past with awareness, not just blame. Pay attention to her body language in intimate moments. Does she flinch when touched unexpectedly? Does she go stiff during affection? Does she seem to overperform or seek approval constantly? These may be subtle signs of past emotional manipulation, abuse, or performance-based relationships. Trauma gets stored in the body, and even if she's never told you her story, her nervous system might already be telling you everything. Notice her attachment to validation. Does she seem overly concerned with how you perceive her? Is she constantly seeking compliments, reassurance, or attention, even when things seem fine? This could point to abandonment wounds or codependency, often rooted in relationships where love had to be earned or proved constantly. Someone who never received consistent love often fears losing it at every turn, and that fear runs deep. How does she handle disagreements? This one's big. She shuts down, gets defensive, or reacts with intense emotion over small things. She may have been in a relationship where disagreement meant danger. People who've been in controlling or abusive dynamics often confuse healthy conflict with emotional threat. And even if you are safe, her nervous system still thinks it's under attack. The way she loves may reveal the way she was hurt. Does she overgive to the point of exhaustion? Does she try to earn your love by pleasing you all the time? This isn't just sweetness. This can be a trauma response. It may mean she's been in relationships where love was conditional, where she had to prove her worth constantly. This is not your fault. But it is your responsibility to understand if you want to build something conscious and compassionate. So what do you do with all of this? You observe, you listen, you hold space. Not just for who she is now, but for who she's survived being. You don't fix, you don't assume, you don't interrogate. You offer safety. The kind of safety that doesn't demand answers, but welcomes honesty when she's ready. Because when a woman feels emotionally safe, the truth will come out. Not through pressure, but through presence. If you've made it this far, chances are you're not just looking to date. You're looking to understand, to connect, to build something deeper. That's what Raw Love Psychology is all about. Because this channel is your home for real conversations about relationships, love, healing, and emotional truth. So if you want more content like this, subscribe now and hit that bell icon. And remember, sometimes you don't have to ask, just have to look and care enough to really see.